Okay, right. This one is an interesting, well, it's a boring one actually, to tell you the truth. It's boring, but it's going to look interesting when I'm finished with it. The copies that come out, going to reduce it. It's quite a large piece of material. I'm wondering, what are we going to do with this background colour? What background colour will we give it? This is an interesting, in a boring sense. Going to make it, what colour are we going to make it? Silly. We're going with a pastel colour called teal, just a change. We'll see if that comes up on our master copy at least. And then hopefully it'll reproduce nice and bright on the copy that we do of it. We're not going all the way with the copy density. We're going to leave it a bit darker. So hopefully the teal will reproduce enough on the master copy that we make, so it can come up, so it'll look really nice. This looks like pastel colours like teal look good for this particular kind of original. So let's see how we go with this. Teal, it's like a greeny colour. It's quite a nice colour, but it's a pastel colour. It usually comes out wishy-washy from what I can tell. I haven't used it on this machine, but we've got here a fantastic furniture showing bedding, kitchen and lounge room wares. So now we're just going to put it on the glass. So I'm wondering, we're going to put it up here. So we're just going to do it like this. So it's fantastic furniture. I think it used to be called Fantastic Plastic, but that name was a bit yucky, a bit tacky. The word plastic can sound really tacky because we all know that plastic's associated with shit, cheapness and all that sort of stuff. Sometimes plastic articles can stink, can actually smell like plastic, like vinyl. Ugh, I hate that smell. I hate plasticky smells. I don't like plastic myself. Now I can't see the teal in this. So yeah, teal is a wishy-washy colour. So I'm wondering what's going to be the centrepiece for this piece of work. And I can't see the teal. The teal's not there. So I'm wondering if we're going to take this and throw... I'm wondering if we're going to use it again. We know we're just going to throw it on the recycle. And we're just going to use this as our master copy. But I'm disappointed the teal, as predicted, well, less than predicted, hasn't shown up on the copy. There's no fucking teal. It's like nothing there. I really hate that wishy-washy like colour with teal. Teal is just so wishy-washy, and also I think it's not glossy enough, the paper that it was printed on, and so teal's just a letdown. I'm let down by that. I was hoping teal would come up a treat. So let's see if we can make this one look good. Wondering if we're going to go negative positive, but that means we're going to have to enlarge a bit to get rid of to make sure we don't have any huge borders. And I'm actually wondering if maybe enlarging a section out of this rather than using this whole page, because I don't like the whole look. So I'm going to put this up. I'm going to actually get rid of the Fantastic Furniture logo. I'm just going to put this up against the edge. I don't know how big exactly I'm going to make it, but we're going to just enlarge, so we need to get rid of make sure there's no borders that get on the enlargement. So we're just going to go here. We're going to cancel that. We don't want that. We don't want the colours to get too solid. So now we're just going to add ourselves. So X is going to be 141.4. I should have done that, whatever. So that's the X. And the Y, hang on, I'm trying to think. We're going to have to make that one, right, 141.4. So 141.4, we're going to make it 100 and 50 for the vertical. So I think that's how we're going to do it. Whatever, we'll see how it comes out. See if making it into a negative has improved it, but I'm disappointed that the teal didn't show up on the copy in the white areas. So I'm disappointed with that. So let's see if they've made this look good. It's interesting. It's a very crisp sort of a mirror image we've done. Like this looks like the background. There's no background in this. This is interesting. Wondering if we're going to run with this or if we're going to make alterations. I think that looks, and we've used different settings to what we normally use. We normally, when we make a negative positive, we normally use the brightness control and you add red and add some hue, but now we're just doing this differently for a change. And it looks really crisp, the colours, very crisp, something different. So I'm wondering if, hang on, what are we going to use? What part are we going to use? It's hard to tell if we're going to use that or that. But I think we're going to use this bottom bit where the 199 is. So that's our second one. And yes, we have another diamond being made. But this diamond isn't going to look too good, I don't think. So we're going to use it this way. And we're going to make up 2 mirror images. So let's see how we go. Well, we just see, we'll find our mirror image button. So let's see if we can go here. We're just going to punch off 2. So we're doing this differently. It's nice to do things differently for a change. Even if it's a bit outside the comfort zone. Well, let's see how this goes. Okay, let's see how this looks. So these are our mirrors. There's one there and one there. So we're just going to take them and put them aside and just gently line them up. And hopefully we'll get a really good looking work. So let's see how this one goes. Okay. At least there's not much solid area of toner, which means there's less curling. It's very little, if any, curling. It's almost curl-free, which is nice. So that looks interesting. That's really strange. I think we can call that one quits.